You might want to see who has viewed your profile on TikTok from the last 24 hours or even more, or simply who had just stalked your profile on TikTok but don't know how to do it. Well, in that case, I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to How to Tutorial. So without any delay, let's get back into the video, people. For that, go to your TikTok and make sure to get logged in just like me. So here you can see that I'm onto my own profile. Now tap on this profile option on the bottom right corner. Tap on this hamburger icon on the top right corner. Tap on settings and privacy. As you do it, you'll get an option of privacy just below account. Tap on privacy here. Scroll down and on the bottom just above blocked accounts, you'll see an option of profile views. Tap on it. So now tap on the sliding icon on the right corner straight to profile view history. So just by doing it, you can see that you can see who has viewed your profile in the last 30 days and allow others to see that you viewed theirs. You'll be notified of profile views if the notification is turned on. Only you can see who has viewed your profile, and you can even turn off this anytime. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.